Kia ora guys, welcome for a new tip. Today I'm gonna talk about the Freevision. Why isn't the case? Because you should have seen the last review on my channel. So I was talking about the Freevision Vilta G, the new stabilizer for GoPro Hero 6, 4, 4, 5, 3, all the GoPro basically. So if you didn't see it, if you don't know how is it, check my past review. But today I'm here to talk about the Freevision Vilta and the GoPro Karma Grip, the famous Karma Grip that I already reviewed in the past. I wanna see which are the difference between them two. First, let's have a first look comparison. As you can see, the GoPro one is much bigger, and then this one is smaller. So the Freevision is smaller. The stabilizing part is pretty similar, as you can see. The only difference is the Vilta, you can lock it. When you don't use the camera, you can lock it in 4 points, here, here and there. So you can lock it once it's inside the case. Another thing, talking about the case, you got the Freevision case. The stabilizer is coming with the case, not the GoPro. I know some package of the old version is not coming with a case, even if you buy the Karma Grip. How to insert the camera is much different, because the GoPro you need to lock it in and you remove the side door. In the case of Vilta, you don't remove any door, you just stick the GoPro in, and it's much easier. So you leave the removable part on your GoPro. That's the main difference. If you unlock the upper part, if you unlock this part, you can transform the Vilta in a completely wearable stabilizer. Then another thing underneath, as you can see, probably not seeing because of the light, but there is a hole, so you can put it on the top on a tripod. I don't know the use, but maybe you can use a pole, and you put the tripod on it, so you can lock it on top of the pole. You can do kindly the same with the GoPro, because you have the ring of GoPro, and you can lock it here, so you can lock it in another pole, even in this case. So these things is pretty similar. So yeah, the main difference are the how you can lock the camera in, and the dimensions. Hopefully I gave you more details about both of these two gimbal, to make yourself an idea which one is better and which one you would use. Anyway, I'm gonna leave both the link to buy them in the description. So anything you wanna add or anything you wanna ask me, you just comment on the box below, and I'm very happy to answer. It's all for today. Bye bye from London.